Alright, we now have a new toy. It's a brand new one. It's the OnePlus 6T. It came out to the market, I think, on the October 29th. So the only thing that it differentiates OnePlus 6 and OnePlus 6T is the T letter in red dot at the very top, right next to 6. So let's open the box and see how it looks. Okay, so here it is. Take off the top cover, and this is the box. Keep it down and take the top off. And at the top we have a letter from the CEO. That's what it says. So saying thank you for purchasing the phone. We can read that love letter later, and there it is. And here is the phone. Okay, there's a wrapper here. It has a small picture of a thumb sign here at the top. That is our on-screen thumb print reader. A lot of the phones have it at the bottom. For example, old iPhones have a button at the bottom, but this is the one that is in-screen thumb fingerprint reader. So it says at the bottom, what I'm seeing is it says purchase the screen covers only from OnePlus or OnePlus partners, their recommended partners, to make sure that the fingerprint scanning works as expected. So I think it's a good, reasonable caution thing. Does it really do anything different? I have no idea. Maybe it is. Okay, so we can take that off and keep the wrapper there. And what's at the bottom, behind the scenes? Okay, this is a generic one. It talks about the stereo quality of the phone and the electric information. Alright, we'll take that off. And we'll keep this on the side, and let's see what else is in this box. Over here, that's the cover, and at the bottom we have this dash charger and the cable. This cable, let's take that out, and if you see it, this is a USB-C cable. This is the USB-A cable. We plug this electric thing, and this USB-A cable goes into this one here in the slot. And once this is done, this is the side that goes into the phone. So the phone goes at the bottom. Okay, there it is. And one of the nice things about USB-C is it is directionless. So just as I put it back, let's say you turn this upside down, which you could not do with the previous micro USB thing. So this is same regardless, so we don't have to fiddle with it to figure out which way it is the right. The thing is, it's right either way. Okay, so this is a dash charger. It's supposed to charge the phone within 30 minutes, so that's a good thing. Okay, so now let us see what else is in the box after the invitation letter. So there it is. And how does this open? Okay, I think it opens from the sideways here. Okay, we open that. Take out all these things inside. Anything else? That's it, I guess. Okay. And this is a back cover. Pretty nice. I guess it's silicone, whatever, but it's pretty good feeling. And what else is here? This may be just a manual, I think. Okay, this has SIM changer, the pin, and the rest is mostly reading material. You can read it. It may be a good idea to read. You got something else? This is, all it says is never settle. I don't know why. Mixed friends call me for tech support. Okay, it has some stickers with probably phone numbers and when you to post as stickers. I'm not sure why that is necessary. So that's the tech support. This is the safety instructions. This is a The entire manual is pretty one page again. That's universal. Unlock the speed, never settle. That's what it says on a flyer. So inside we have a little bit of reading material that says what's on the phone. Okay. It's very good. So we can keep this aside and see what else is going on here in this box. And we have one more cable at the bottom. This is very small. We can see what this is. So this one is USB-C on this end. This side it is the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. So I guess we can plug it into the phone on the USB side and listen to your headphones from this side. So let's see how this works. So well, the thing is, most times the phones which have audio jack usually is at the top, but this one has a single jack. This is a charging. This is for data connection to the computer and as well as audio. So the odd part is this feels like you're turning the phone upside down, but the phone is so symmetrical it really doesn't matter. The only difference is the camera goes to the bottom of the phone at this point. If you're going to keep it in your hand in this fashion to plug into the audio set here. Okay. Other than that, I think that's all the pieces that are in this phone comes with. The telephone, audio cable, dash charger, and that USB cable, and a backup. That pretty much completes most of what we have. And then spend 30 minutes to charge on the dash charger. Once it is fully charged, we can start setting it up. That's it for now.